Hi, everybody. My name's Stacy Napper, and this is the final course in the certificate. I'm really excited about completing it, and I'm sure I'm going to learn lots of really cool things. Um, I have never officially reviewed a course before, so I'm not familiar with any of the rubrics. So this is going to be a new experience for me. I work as an adjunct instructor and a subject matter expert, so that hasn't been one of my official duties. But I am hoping to change careers into instructional design, and I thought that this certificate was a good place, is a good place to start. I am up here at my friend's farm in New Woodstock, New York, about 40 minutes outside of Syracuse. And the reason I'm here is to go to the Central New York Fiber Festival, where I can see yarn from right from the sheep, and it should be really interesting. I went last year when I knew nothing, and now I know a little bit more, so it should be a lot of fun. That's this weekend. But I've worked with many of you during this process, and I'm looking forward to getting to know the new folks. So let's have a great course. Bye.